So the Gleaner, the Jamaican Star,
Okay.
saying that they are children on the spectrum, their parents are paying 30 to 100K for an assessment. An assessment.
Oh, for the autism pitney them.
Yeah. So you tell me now,
Uh-huh.
yeah, what comes with that assessment? They're basically saying nothing. It's just an assessment, just 2 hours assessment. That's it.
Oh.
100K.
Okay. And you they worry about when me I tell us say our package for the autism package is too little for Jamaican because listen, Jamaicans will save every point bottle they have just to prove a point to their neighbor saying that my child went to therapy. I went to check my
That is
child
not
out.
therapy.
Well,
That's not therapy. That's just an assessment. What are you going to do with the assessment?
No, listen, just to say
Just to
that
say
they
that
are
the
doing
child has autism?
right. No, listen.
That's crazy.
They have more clients than you because they believe in the white suit. Let me tell you this. Listen to me. It's all about pride and what we children look like to my neighbors. That's how Jamaican flex. This is a Jamaican flex. They don't really want help.
Yo,
So
100K.
So you go from it.
30K for an assessment that they're not gonna do nothing else
And
with
they
the
go from
child.
it. And
They're not gonna assist the child.
And I like overseas.
No diet.
And I like overseas.
Oh my gosh, yes, they get money for the children overseas. In Jamaica, you don't.
No, you don't get money, but I'm telling you, we worry about prices in Jamaica. You remember when we're making the prices, you're saying, oh, there's Jamaican that is more than their salary. Listen to me.
Yo. What, 30K though?
Yeah, 30K, yeah man.
For just an assessment, nothing else. The parents don't even get like funded for someone to come and be with the child in class. Nothing they don't get with that assessment.
Most funded.
Why are they wanting the assessment?
Listen why they want the assessment. Most of these parents with autistic children don't really want to help the child. Most of them hide the child in a house. Yes, because some of them have to go to school, yeah, they have to send them to school, or some of school them not even accept these children.
I can't get over the amount of money. The package is 13.5. I do ongoing support for free. And children are talking, singing in church. I hear somebody else telling me that the picnic had singing in church and the parent hasn't told me yet.